Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a laptop getting hot and a fan loud. Let's fix it guys. We need to disable turbo boost. First, you just need to check if the turbo boost is enabled or not. To check that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to this Performance tab. In CPU, base speed is the real processor speed without overheating issues. If the speed is higher than the base speed, then in your PC the turbo boost is enabled. If the speed is equal to the base speed, then the turbo boost is disabled or not supported by your processor. In my case, as you can see, base speed and speed is same. I already disabled the turbo boost. That's the reason. Now I show you guys how to disable that for you. You just need to open up Chrome and search throttle stop and press enter. Select the official site throttle.net and select the download option and select this zip to download it. After getting download and open this zip file, double click on this setup application and select extract all and select extract. And now double click on the throttle stop and select yes and select OK. And now in here check this box guys, disable turbo and select save to save changes. And now just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager and go to performance. Now our CPU speed is as same as the base speed. I already did this, and that's how you can fix laptop getting hot and fan loud problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.